há cuasaí pelle Ros Comáin ag dul ar Connacht. I gimmer te dríchle Ceannais Connacht Mionúr idir Mionúr fifeag Seintir, hí Mionúr an chaunté nefchlíte go dtí seo. Ina goinge bhí Gaillimh, fearnar bhóthra lesa ó thugdraigear chéile siar mí Márta. Brian Tyres is Gary Size a Hammond Trotruchta.
Linehan. Reached on Gannon Sayer, Tasha Plucker, Jennings Susan Ish, no Revoken Shestach, and that can Hulach, Ta Brooks and Isha Hokru Hennig, Nisus and Fadigalorach, Ta Kulturban Flash, August Ta Lot to see Con Cannon, Tresh Cool the Ros Comáin.
Yeah, Niva Evan Burke sauce the egg fakins rash show. August ever hand egg fresh and joy clan okay. Egg Lord Queen's gone out again Gerard being tall as she hitch and Lero just says Sacarno and Shaw.
Malali Gaffa Fada. Northern Sunnings a Gaffa Horse August Harang Ella and the Brown. A Ros Comáin ish, Willie Canadian to get Tasha Buaicphointí Trusted Sa Joshua Coin the British Greek. Dírach on Gickamach.
Ishe Haraveg Lico Ros Comáin so vi Pedro Detnor Aku Tave Martin Stu and Shaw vi Bert Aku will or Naboka Barrer and flick on over fair Ros Comáin and Shaw over a doye reach Bobby Lennon August Brown or reach like Kayla August and fair Shaw Toshe Ig Danev Rack August Ian Tucker Fad.
Well, gan out team leader Kayla Nis Luhe sa vachtas amount do August the V on boog Ros Comáin ibakt he de Buaicphointí diagle her na sé Irecht voor grey Irecht ontoch Irecht anachreinig Jack Ali Buaicphointí Lena en Fehvish Bell and Sullivan Adolphe in the pelle is tachen so die Joy Culnan Omeganish Mark Hogan Tasha Shin go Hollinger Fag then the Kitoig they get far or on more Mary Sugri Shemi Carty Ta onnomot Katte Baragoib Toort Fe Cruig Topic Better in Tachtrucht Fachte Buaicphointí Foilen Sa Ach Yesh Ni nor Yesh on Pratt Arrage to order Shin scored and Skoiger on car. Agus Hoshino Nachten Arrage Ta Shul Cartfe Quail Dirch and Don Hood Ta Farrer Dev Howe Quite a sheer again Nish will have the neg in the Quebec Header and Darling Ta Ryan Conley Tresh Cowan Moore David Harrison Draston Buaicphointí An the Cluiche Ceannais Ros Comáin Shellava Chimod and Tassavint as Asheri na Gaillimh August Heppigan and son Rohriga Brown is Tackle Lorsley shots her Hogan Hennig August Fachtigan Dara Callagher and the head of Loshacht.
A reach Kevian ag Tusan Shaw ag Enda Brown Honig Shayla Loose who is a chimple Adam Healy and Shaw agus vi sé glick past in Kate Scott agus ag an Dara caught him or Creek or a Cushclay.
Daniel Nerney, Sagluishton son Brooks. Tons pass in the Dave Howell, Agus a race pass on the Yas, Ishtag on the Vackling and son. They get Jaden Jennings, Agus a base shot car. Fachter go hauling in their own and car. Lehead the park and Usard. Tahena do Fachter Gan Ragra, Ger Ros Comáin, 3 Dehenish, Leonard Eheniak. Adam Healy, a Tooten saw, Fingos and Tor Connor Toy, and will create Adam Healy, Tom cool in Dun Gitsko.
Yeah, Shin Cannon the cool Sinclair show, Cade Mar Creek loose. Bisega Grouche, Farrer, Sacunia and Shaw, Faircross Shaw, the bunch killing on cooked fresh and August Visha Comporta go score and cool. Crichton Kate Scott, August Visha Tastel the Gallia, but Toshe Silaker, Adam Healy.
Jamie Dillon. Buller Fachten son again Kieran Collins. Nachtan Fell, Dollaraiganish, Shane Heenahan. Healy. Machen so Rishta, Royker Nakula, Shin Ryan Conley, Tosh, Shin Glorver. Ach, on Countess Tachtir Fadna, Isha, Achor Harish, Trasnon, Buaicphointí, Dunsko Elefachter. Well, Tasha Koudvieder is lachiert on good. They kocht August Krinis at Taston. Nietzsche Fadagalo, the touring to stick a Bialavoy, Zach Malali, Nishnach a Tastoilo Zackinson, Mio and Evan Burke on Vertful Border. Sun action in Sun. Agus Ros Comáin tá Shellid Gail to reached. Ach tá na dog shit again retour. Agus tá Ceannais Connacht in Rod the Mionúr but to get Ros Comáin then share about the dig.
All credit to Galway, like they really came out all guns blazing in the second half. But look, our guys showed huge character, Micheál, to get there in the end, to get over the line. It was an absolute dogfight, and thankfully we came out the right side of the dogfight.